So you just installed the new Windows 11, but wait, they forced you to use a Microsoft account to set up, right? Don't worry, instead of using a Microsoft account, we'll learn exactly how to create a local account in Windows 11. As a bonus, we'll also demonstrate how to remove the password completely to enable automatic login. Let's get started. A local account provides greater privacy and control over your data. It keeps your information offline and avoids syncing with Microsoft services. Create a local account in Windows 11. First, open the Settings app. Go to Accounts. Under your account settings, click the option to sign in with a local account instead. Follow the on-screen instructions to set a username and, optionally, a password. Once done, log out of your Microsoft account and sign in with the newly created local account. To remove the password and enable automatic login, open the Settings app. Go to Accounts. Then select Sign-in Options. Under the Sign-in Options section, click on Password. Then select Change. Enter your current password when prompted. And for the new password, leave the fields blank. Click Next to save these changes. Once you've set a blank password, restart your computer to ensure it logs in automatically. You won't be prompted for a password anymore. And that's it! By creating a local account and setting a blank password, you've enabled automatic login in Windows 11 without any additional tools or settings. This method is quick and straightforward, but as always, only use it for personal devices where security isn't a concern. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe for more straightforward tech guides. Questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.